Hey, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making chicken tangri kebabs. This is actually a mouth-watering Indian appetizer. In here, I am using two big chicken leg pieces with thigh, so I am slitting them thoroughly till the bones. This process helps in both marinating the chicken properly as well as cooking it quickly. Add 3 tablespoons of non-sweetened curd. Add some salt according to your taste. A pinch of pepper. And a teaspoon of chili powder. Chili powder should be added as per your taste, as too much of it might make it a little too spicy. Then add the Garam masala. This is a very important ingredient as this will help to get rid of the raw poultry smell from the bird. Then add a little lemon juice and around 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. Now I will use my hand and marinate it properly. It is really very important that you rub the marinade carefully inside every slit you made. I hope you are enjoying this and all our other recipes. If you find them quick and easy and tasty, then subscribe to our channel as it will help us grow. Now the chicken is ready to be marinated. Marinate it for minimum 4 to 5 hours in the fridge. It will be best if you can keep it for 8 hours. Now carefully place the chicken out of the box on the baking racks. Just to avoid the mess, we are going to put the baking tray under the rack. We won't be adding any extra butter or oil in this as we don't want the unwanted grease. Now in a preheated oven, place it in the middle rack and change the mode to roast. Set the time for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. This time might vary depending on the size of the chicken you are cooking. This is how it will look once it's close to completion. Serve hot with onion rings and green chutney. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. I have added the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. Do take a look and comment on how you like the recipe. Thanks.